Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a YouTube video on your YouTube channel. So on the top right, let's go to our profile and go to YouTube Studio right here and select this. Now on the left side of the screen, let's go over to content and then wait for this to load and go on over to the video you want to delete now. So there's going to be an option under here now that will say more options or just options. So you can see right here, whenever I go over it, I can go over to delete forever now. I understand that deleting this video is permanent and will lose all access to audience and video analytics. So then I can go over to delete forever right here, and this will delete it off my YouTube channel. Now you can delete multiple videos at the same time. If you just check mark right here, and then there will be an option now to delete. So go to more actions and go to delete forever if you want to delete multiple videos at the same time. I believe you can check mark all of them at the top. So if you go to select all right here, if you want to delete all your videos, you can. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.